Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. Just want to show you guys what actually comes in your 30-day success formula kit when it comes in the mail. Alright, so you get this red envelope. Red folder. Okay, it's a red folder that comes inside the folder, and I'm going to show you real quick here what's in it, because it actually tells you. Okay, you're going to have a 6-page flyer, which is the flyer that we all have right here, and it's glossy. Okay, it comes on the glossy print, so that's your actual flyer. Okay, and I'm just reading it in here. It tells you. You get a booklet that showcases all the products. So let me show you that booklet. Let's see, where's the booklet? Here's the booklet right here. Okay, products and services. You get this booklet. Okay, and let's see what else you get here. You get the actual order form to purchase your marketing campaigns. Okay, and I'm going to show you, they got some good prices here. I'm going to show you that too. And then you get the order form to purchase your personalized cards. Okay, so if you want the debit cards, okay, here is the product information. Okay, and then here's the form. Okay, if you want to order the cards. Okay, so that's in there as well. Okay, and then they have upgrade instructions. When you want to upgrade, they tell you how to do that. And then they have this particular little booklet here, which kind of explains the whole 30-day success formula and how you can make money with it and the best levels to join and all those good things that's in here. So this is a, let me see how long this booklet is. I'm going to tell you. Hang on a second. It's really good information. Let's see. It's, looks like 17. Yep, 17 pages. This right here, this little 17-page booklet explains how you can really make some great money with this program. Okay, so that's what comes in your welcome kit. The product information, all about the products. If you want to order your debit cards, that form is in there. If you want to go ahead and get your campaigns, that's in there too. But let me show you something that was pretty awesome. Okay, of course, you know, you can get the company to do your mailings for you. Okay, and I'm going to give you the prices if you're interested in the company actually mailing for you. Let me find that page, and then I'm going to show you something else that I thought was pretty cool. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me, okay? Hang on. Okay, and let me show you that. So this way you can see it, okay? Right here, if you want the company to mail for you, okay, for 200 letters, cash only, $309. If you want 400, it's $599. If you want 1,000, and here's the prices, okay? Okay? And they'll do all the mailing. That's the stamps. That's everything. If you want them to do the mailing for you. Now, let me show you another price, which is great. And their stats are 3 to 8% response rate when they do the mailing. That's what they say in their documentation, okay? Now, let me show you another great deal, guys. They have a advertising bundle deal, okay? Let me show you the prices for this. Check this out. Read it. Let's read it together. Instead of purchasing, you know, everything separately, they're saying if you would like them to fold up your letters, put them in the envelopes, okay? Put the leads on them, and they'll mail you everything already ready to go. All you have to do is put your stamps on them and mail them out. Did you see that? Advertising bundle. They will fold your letters. They'll put them in the envelopes. They'll put the leads on them. Their leads. Okay? And they will put them in that envelope, mail them to you, and then all you have to do is buy your stamps and mail them. That's a good cost. Check that cost out. $400 for $299, $1,000 for $799, $2,500 for $1997. So if you don't want to do the envelopes or any of that, you can have the company send them to you. You put the stamps on them and mail them out. Okay? So a great deal. So this is an awesome company. I'm really, really loving it. I upgraded today, so I'm super excited. And I also got me, guys, some address labels, return address labels right there. You see them? Okay. That's a good idea just to put them on your envelopes when you're mailing out. So they'll come back to you if there's any problems. Okay. But I got some personalized address labels. Okay. And I'll tell you where I got those from once you join me. And my team, we have a special cover letter. Okay. We've got a special cover letter that we're going to be using when we send our mailings out. And I'll share that with you as well. And I just got a hold of a brand new mailing list company that one of my colleagues has been using for his big ticket, okay, for his big ticket programs, okay. And this is a highly targeted list, okay. They actually compile this list, okay, and it's been working for the high ticket, okay, businesses. So I'll share that with you as well, okay? And as you can see, that's what we have. Because to be honest with you, I just found out actually the company's been around a little bit longer. What they've done is they added the lower levels 1 and 2 not long ago. But they were a high ticket business, okay, before. So that's what was happening. They were actually high ticket. They just added these lower levels recently, okay? So that way everybody can get in. So as you can see, the 6 income streams is affordable for everybody. You can start as low as $89, no admin fees, any of that. And you can actually have them mailed for you, okay? If you want to off the first run, you can say, hey, I'm joining it for $89 and can you go ahead and mail me 200 flyers? You can do that, okay? At any point in time, whenever you want that mailing to go out, they'll do that for you. Just let them know. But you have one free 200 letter mailing that's fronted for you from the company, okay? No company is doing that, okay? Not to mention the 90-day money-back guarantee they have, okay? So that's why we're all super excited about the success formula, okay? So anyway, just wanted you to see what actually comes in your welcome kit, as well as they sent me an email, okay, with my online courses, okay? So they sent it in an email for the internet courses, okay? So that's how you want to do it, guys. So go ahead and click the link below, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And for everybody that comes in at level 2, you get 200 leads. If you come in at level 3, you get 300 leads. If you come in at level 4, you get 400 leads. If you come in at level 5, you get 500 leads. If you come in at level 6, you get 600 leads, okay? That's for joining my team. We've got some good things going. I've got some good guys and gals, if you will, that's going to be working with me. And we've got some good things in store for you guys. So anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call. The link will be below. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.